NCR, strong tremors have been felt. Viewers, this is big news that's coming in at this point. Massive earthquake. We're still awaiting details of what exactly was the measure on the Richter scale, but right now these are the very details we are getting. Strong tremors felt in Delhi NCR. Massive earthquake hits Delhi NCR, the national capital at this point. Latest details that we are picking up. This is breaking news, viewers, that we bring to you. We will take you through the details of what exactly was the epicenter at this point, but these are the first details that we are picking up. Strong tremors have been felt in Delhi NCR. A major earthquake in Delhi NCR at this given point. We will be joined by our colleague Aishwarya Paliwal, who is in fact joining us at this point on the broadcast. Aishwarya, big, massive earthquake that we are hearing of, strong tremors having been felt in the national capital. Please bring us more details that we're picking up at this point.
Well, you know, we have seen it's not just Delhi, the entire NCR region, in fact, has felt this. This is exactly what we understand at the moment. The epicenter is something that we will get to know in just a couple of minutes from now. From what we are understanding, the tremors were felt not just Delhi, the entire Delhi NCR region, which means they were felt in Gurgaon, they were felt in Noida, Greater Noida too. So we are just trying to understand the Richter scale just a couple of minutes. Not just the aftershocks, but the entire earthquake lasted a couple of minutes. That's the information that we have at the moment.
Yeah, if we just take a look at a few months back, there was another such big earthquake that had hit Delhi NCR. In fact, that was even accompanied by a strange loud sound, which had really alerted the people here. It was somewhere around 5 in the morning, and now we see tremors being felt again and strong tremors being felt again. Is this implying a disturbing pattern at this given point of seismic activity in the national capital, would you say?
Well, definitely, you know, and we also understand that the entire Delhi NCR region, when we speak about the activities that take place, all those things actually over the past many years, those changes have actually been felt, and that's the reason why we are seeing, you know, months after months, these kind of aftershocks, these kind of shocks taking place. If you also remember, in the national capital, you know, you don't see a lot of high rises. The major reason for that is the fact that this entire zone is in the seismic zone. That's the reason why we see these tremors being felt. The good thing that we can tell you at the moment is that there were no aftershocks, because usually after an earthquake, aftershocks are also felt. So this lasted for a couple of minutes. We are still trying to understand on the Richter scale